Today's topic name is Nazi physician trial. In that Nuremberg doctor trials, in that 50 to 23 doctors are found guilty in 1947. They are using people for various treatment without their consult or their permission. In that various types of experiments include such as twin studies, freezing response, malaria experiment, mustard gas experiment, sulfonamide experiment, seawater experiment, sterilization experiment. Later they are hanged for the crime against humanity. The Nuremberg trial is held in 1946. Then the Nuremberg Code is established. In that the various types of guidelines are given, such as voluntary consent is essential. Then the subject have right to end their participation in the research. Then research risk must be minimized and relative to the anticipated benefits of the research. Then research must be based on preclinical studies in animals and knowledge of the condition under studies. The research must benefit society. Then proper preparation should be provided or made, and adequate facilities are provided to the experimental subject. Then the research should be conducted only by scientifically qualified persons. Then during the course of the experiment, the scientist in charge must be prepared to terminate the experiment at any stage if any probable cause to believe. Then during the course of experiment, the human subject should be liberty to bring the experiment to an end, and the research should be conducted to avoid all unnecessary physical and mental suffering and injuries. So this is all are contained in the Nuremberg Code 1947.